Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is important for every student and future developer out there. AI is rapidly taking over many aspects of coding, and if you don't adapt now, you might get left behind. So let's understand what's happening, what skills you should focus on, and how to stay relevant in this AI-driven world. Let's start with what's really happening. AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Amazon Code Whisperer, they are writing code, debugging, and even creating full applications. Earlier, developers used to spend hours writing lines of code, solving syntax errors, or building repetitive functions. But now you can just write a prompt like create a login page in HTML and CSS, and the AI generates it in seconds. Companies are using these tools to boost productivity and reduce costs. This is not just a trend, it's the future. So the way we learn and work in programming has to evolve too. Now let's address the big question. Will AI replace developers and coders? Not exactly. AI can automate repetitive coding tasks, but it still lacks creative problem solving, system design thinking, and deep project understanding. Think of AI as your assistant, not your replacement. It's great for suggestions, templates, and automation. But you need to guide it, validate its work, and use your brain to build innovative solutions. So no, coders won't disappear, but the role of a coder is definitely transforming. As a student, you need to stop just memorizing syntax or basic programming. Instead, focus on understanding problem solving, building real-world projects, learning how to work with AI tools, understanding data structures and algorithms deeply, getting comfortable with multiple technologies, cloud, databases, APIs. Most importantly, start using AI tools in your coding practice. Treat them as learning partners. This will increase your speed and teach you how the real tech world is evolving. Here are the skills that are future-proof and high in demand. 1. AI and machine learning fundamentals. 2. Data science and analytics. 3. Cybersecurity. 4. Cloud computing, AWS, Azure, GCP. 5. UI/UX design and product thinking. 6. Critical thinking and creativity. 7. Soft skills like communication, collaboration, and adaptability. These are the skills that AI cannot replace easily. If you combine technical knowledge with these abilities, you'll be unstoppable. To wrap up, don't fear AI, learn to work with it. Adapt, upgrade your skills, and stay curious. The future belongs to those who are ready to evolve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more career-focused content.